Welcome back to our final video, and we're going to be making these lovely gift bags and attaching our gift tags from the last video. So we're going to need our marbled paper from our first video, a pen, some tape, and our gift tags from our previous video. We're going to turn the paper to the back side. We're going to fold in one time. Yeah. And then we're going to fold the other side in as well. All the way in, all the way in, meet the middle. Yep, good stuff. And then we're going to put a line of tape across the back. We're going to fold up. Then we're going to fold these corners down. So. And then secure the bottom with more tape. So now the base is done. You just fold the top and you can put another piece of tape, or what I like to do is punch 2 holes in and put a little bit of thread through the top. And that's our completed gift bag. Let's see how Zelda's getting on. How are you getting on? Good. The strings can be quite tricky, so if there's little hands, you can always help them.
How am I going to put the present inside?
Oh, well, you're going to have to open it to put the present in. Should have put the present in first. These are completed gift bags. You can also use any of your leftover marble paper for wrapping your gifts as well this Christmas. I hope you enjoyed watching myself and Zelda get creative. Bye.
Bye.
Ready?
Go.
Reset. Okay, big smile.